toxic chemicals for a nice home.
La 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 la.
Don't let overpriced essential oils ruin your Christmas this year. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and that's why I created the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box is the best way to learn how to use essential oils and finally relax over the holidays. Click below to join the box that has over 5,000 5-star reviews. People love us. You will make these fun recipes and get everything you need with this month's recipe box.
I love using their recipes because they're fun to make.
I have learned so much about essential oils.
Getting everything in the box that you're going to need to create.
Across the market, they are one of the more affordable brands.
With a new theme each month, you'll learn how to actually use your oils. You get to make super fun recipes because you get all the ingredients you need. You don't have to go to a party and get pressured to buy things, but you still get to have fun. We're talking about a box that saves you money, gives you confidence in a natural home, and it's delivered right to your door. Each recipe box has over $100 value, comes with a big bonus box, an essential oil community, essential oil hero course, free shipping, exclusive discounts, and more.
This box costs how much?
$29.99 for my first box.
Oh wow, how do you know that these oils are even real?
Do you mean pure? Every single oil that's carried by Simply Earth is backed by GCMS test. Just enter the number on the bottle and you'll find the GCMS report. Balsam Fir will let you use your fake Christmas tree but make it still smell like Christmas. Geranium essential oil is gonna make my skin look amazing. Lime essential oil just makes me feel happy, and happy wife, happy life. Bumps and Boo-Boos is gonna help us out with our kids so that when they have an owie, it's gonna make it feel all better.
Wow, these smell amazing.
Yeah, they do. I'm also gonna get a spray bottle, bath bomb mold, citric acid, which is so expensive at the store, and blue mica powder, and our kids are gonna be amazed by the magic. I'll be able to treat myself to a spa day in the comfort of our own home. When I need self-care after a busy day, I'll use this Let It Snow bath bomb for some relaxation, and I'll watch the stress fizz away.
Wow, this is actually really cool.
No synthetic fragrances, fillers, or toxic chemicals ever.
Pull out that credit card. Let's get this box before it sells out. You need this.
You deserve a break this holiday season. Subscribe to the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box.